Please stand. Face the flag. Put your right hand over your heart. Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good morning, Bears. While this week has been a quick one, we still have 2 full shows before our long weekend. Coming up, we dive into our first spring sports update of the semester and talk to our CPMs about a workshop during AE. I'm Max Purdy.
And I'm Veronica Silva. It's Thursday, February 16th, and Good Morning Job Burroughs starts right now.
1, 2, 3.
Welcome back. We're starting off this show with a bunch of senior announcements. Class of 2023, it is time to nominate your prom royalty court. Nominations are now open until the end of the month. Remember, you can only nominate a senior, and you can nominate up to 5 people. Nominations will be revealed next month.
Seniors may be looking forward to prom, but not looking forward to being on the off-grad list. For many seniors, this is because of the new FAFSA requirement. Here's our college peer mentors and counselors to talk about one workshop happening during AE today.
Hey seniors, today in room 1207 during AE, the College Peer Mentors are hosting a FAFSA workshop. So if you haven't gotten it done yet, you want to make sure you turn your FAFSA email confirmation into your counselors if you want to get off the off-grad list so you can walk in May.
The FAFSA is super important because it gives you access to 2 free years of community college and/or access to scholarships and different grants and loans that you can qualify for. We know that it's annoying, so we've been working with the College Peer Mentors. They're really great at helping you get started so that you can complete the requirement.
In other senior news, remember to fill out scholarship applications to help you save money for college or your career. The Magnolia Park Optimist Club scholarship is now open, but the deadline is tomorrow. The Burbank Police Foundation scholarship and the PTSA scholarships are also available. All these scholarship applications are available in our Career Center. Students can also visit the website shown on the screen for more information on all BUSD scholarships.
In club news, GSA is having a meeting and debate today at lunch in room 2225. Christian Club meets tomorrow at lunchroom 2303. Finally, CSF is closing its membership drive tomorrow at 4 p.m. Remember that you can turn in your applications during lunch only to rooms 2303 and 2304. Applications can also be turned in from 3 to 4 p.m. tomorrow.
Last week, our winter sports teams closed out their postseasons, which means it's time to transition to spring. Here's Harrison with the sports update today.
Good morning, Bears. This is Harrison Johnstone, and I've got your spring sports update today. Boys tennis plays against Hoover today. JV is at home and varsity is away. Both teams start at 3:45. Softball is also on the road today. Both JV and varsity play at Mark Keppel at 3:30. Baseball has matches today and this weekend. Both JV and varsity play La Cañada at 3 o'clock. Frosh plays in the Eastern Tournament tomorrow at home, and varsity plays Cleveland this Saturday. Finally, track and field is hosting their home meet this weekend, starting on Saturday at 9 o'clock. Good luck to all our sports and their games this week. That's all for me. Now back to you in the studio.
Thanks, Harrison. Not only are sports gearing up for their next season, programs are looking forward to next year. If you're a 10th or 11th grader and interested in learning more about Link Crew and applying to be a leader next school year, they will be holding an information meeting on Thursday, February 23rd. If you already know you want to apply for next year, you can also join the Link Crew applicant Google Classroom using the code shown on screen and work on the application.
Our very own Gmjb is now open for applications as well. If you are interested in applying, you can access the application on our Instagram bio or see the link in the bulletin. You can also talk to Ms. Meshkat in room 6207. Apply today and join our crew of storytellers.
Burroughs is also looking for academic and tutorial mentors for next school year. If you're a current 10th or 11th grade student and want to be a mentor during class or AE, come to an information meeting next Wednesday in the library. That's it for today, Bears. We'll be back here tomorrow with a look at some of our CTE pathways here on campus. Signing off, I'm Veronica Silva.
And I'm Max Purdy. Have a great day, Bears.